Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Gmail sign-up page. You'll want to click on the Create Account option and then select the For Myself tab. This gets you to the basic account creation form where you can enter your desired email address. Step 2. Fill in your personal information carefully. Enter your first and last name, then create your new email address using whatever username you want. Make sure it's something you'll remember, and that follows Gmail's naming rules. Step 3. Create a strong password that you haven't used before. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Write it down somewhere safe so you don't forget it. Step 4. When you reach the phone number field, skip it by clicking the Ask Later option or simply moving forward without entering anything. Gmail doesn't technically require a phone number to create an account despite what many people think. Step 5. Complete the account verification using an alternative method like a recovery email address if prompted. You can verify your account through a secondary email you already own, which works just as well as a phone number for account recovery and security purposes.